Setting a stop loss on TradeStation helps manage risk by automatically closing a trade when the asset price reaches a certain level. Here's how to set one up. Log into TradeStation. Open platform. Launch the TradeStation desktop platform, web version or mobile app and log in with your credentials. Access the trade window, desktop or web. Find and open the order bar or trade tab. If you're using the mobile app, tap on the trade option for the asset you're interested in. Create a stop loss order. Select asset. Choose the asset you want to set a stop loss for. Enter order details. In the order entry window, specify the sell order if you're protecting a long position or buy if you're protecting a short position. Set order type. Select stop or stop limit from the order type drop-down menu. Define stop price. Enter stop price. Input the stop price, which is the price level at which your order will be triggered. Set limit price. For a stop limit order, also enter a limit price at which the stop loss will be executed. Review and submit. Check details. Review the stop loss order details to ensure accuracy. Place order. Click submit or send order to activate the stop loss. Monitor and adjust. Track performance. Regularly check your positions and stop loss orders. You can adjust or cancel them as needed through the Orders tab.